What's up, guys? My name is Saad Jamil. I am one of the Jamil brothers, and today's video is going to be very exciting and something I have been waiting for about a month now. Based on the title of this video, I think you guys already know what this is about. Straight piping my Lamborghini Gallardo LP550-2. So today's video is going to be straightforward. I'm gonna have before footage of the stock exhaust, and I'm gonna try to capture some after footage with the straight pipe installed, and it's going to be really hard to pick up the audio. You just really have to experience it in person to really know the difference. The exhaust that I decided to go with is from Avior Performance. Go check them out on Instagram. And it is an X-pipe, non-resonated. Pretty much it's a muffler delete straight pipe. And I am in total love with it. The 2 days that I've been driving around with it installed, I've driven over 200 miles in 2 days because I am so in love with this exhaust note, and I just really enjoy driving this car now. Alright, hopefully the last stock cold start, and hopefully I don't regret it. So the GoPro audio is probably not the best, and I've got my windows open, but let's see if I can get you guys some audio sounds from inside the car.